Your art is like your accessories, you know? It's like if your couch is jeans, right? and your walls are like your white shirt, then like your art is like your lipstick or your hat, or you know what I mean? I always knew I wanted a Waiting to Exhale poster in my place. It's just a reminder and an image of Black joy and like Black joy amongst women, sisterhood, and also, you know, the movie is just like great inspo. I know we don't think of 90s home decor as being that in fashion right now, but like the color schemes, all of those warm colors, leaning into like a feminine space. I just love that art can tell people so much about you without you having to speak. My hope is that, you know, when someone comes in here and they look around and they look at my bookshelf and they look at my art, that it just tells them who I am. I was that kid who would be putting wallpaper and flooring in their dollhouse. That was me. So yeah, this is like the first opportunity that I've had, like no roommates, no boyfriend, no anyone, and I just wanted to take full advantage of that. Biggest challenge, budget for sure. I splurged on the couch. You know, that was like my big splurge. And so I just had to get really creative as far as sourcing. Craigslist is like my old favorite. I went in my grandparents' basement and OfferUp/Let Go. I found like my most unique pieces just like searching on Let Go at 2 a.m. Proudest DIY are these chairs. I got these on Craigslist and I want to say I paid like $20 for both of them, but they were lime green. So I bought Angelos leather paint and it worked. It's legit just paint and I have not had any issues. No reupholstering, no fabric, no nothing, just paint. I think home is where most of, you know, your memories are made, whether you like really think about it or not. You know, after you have a long day at work, I think more than anything else, you're thinking about getting home. It's my studio. It's a constant source of inspiration. It's where my life happens.